There in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about mail contact. So mail contact is like a number contact of your phone, contact list of your phone, uh, where you can put the people's details like mobile number and the other details. So similarly in the mail contact, you can add out the external people's details, which is not in, which is not like that they have to be, there is no such ruling that they have to be have details, the mail details in the system, in the exchange server. They're the external people, and you can add their mail details like their email. So that is totally, for example, in your company, like some legal team, there are some legal team are there, so you can add those email address, you can add the people's details who are in your legal team. And for example, any dealership where a dealer is there for your company, which serving your company outside, and you have frequently talking with them, frequently mailing with them, your company is frequently mailing with them. So these are the people who might be of some different company, may not be of your company, may not be of your employee. So and their exchange, their mail server is of a different company. So like these are the people's comes with the mail contact in the that in exchange server. You put all the details. So as I say that in the recipient configuration there is an option called mail contact. You can check it out, as you able to see that there is no item to show. So from the action pane as well, you can create the new mail contact from right click as well. You can create the new mail contact, and you can edit out the details, what are the details required to edit on a mail contact. So it's similarly like that. When I say new mail contact, it will start reflecting the option, and similarly say new contact or existing contact, you have already have the existing contact, you can add it out, or I'm going to add a new contact, existing contact, in that sense that where you need to add some mail's address or not, or whether their mail address has been changed or not. So that is totally the new mail contact we're going to add. And the specify organizational unit where needs to, if you want to add some specifically in the organizational unit, you can going to add it. Otherwise the first name and the last name you need to add. So whatever the person who it is, whosoever it is, according to that you can add the first name and the full name, uh, including the alias, which you can add it out. So for example, I'm going to write the name. So let's say Ezekiel, and then if I say Jackson, Ezekiel Jackson, and alias you can add it out. For example, I say E Jackson. External email address wants to add it. Like external email address. So I'm going to add it as E Jackson at ecom dot co dot com. So as usual, this email is not exist, so it's a kind of just an example based. I'm going to edit. So next, and This is what the summary is, and when you put new, it will start creating new, and the mail contact will be created. So when you go to finish, so the finish button, and this is how from EMS as well, there is a command over here. You can write it out command. So for example, if you want to add the contact list from the EMS, you can write it down from the EMS as well. You can create the mail contact from the EMS as well. So I hope you learned something about creating a mail contact. So this is what the mail contact is, and this guy is not even the part of the domain server, and we are treating it as our external person, outside person from the company. So hope you learned something about creating a mail contact. This is how